everyone, welcome to Bright Edge Media. My name is Jamie Livingston. I shall be your very host for today. Ensure to like, subscribe, hit that bell, and share as well. Now let's join our very own instructor in class for today's training.
Hello and welcome back to Bright Edge Media YouTube channel, and it's such a joy to be with you again. Yes, it's quite a while, I must say. We actually have been putting one or two things together, of which I believe as time permits we'll be unfolding them to you. But today I want us to consider something very interesting, okay? And without wasting time further, let's delve into it. Don't go anywhere. I'll see you right in class. All right, you're welcome back to class, and today I want us to consider some free AI tools that we can leverage on in 2026. All right, so I'm going to try as much as possible to keep this video very short. Okay, so let's take a look at them one after the other. The first one I have for us here is the one I call the Domo AI. Okay, it's called Domo AI. All right, so trying to open the interface, you can see the spelling right there. Okay, Domo AI. All right, so all you have to do is to go to your browser and type Domo AI. Okay, and your browser should lead you to this place. Okay, and then you have to register. So as soon as you register with them, you are entitled to 15 free credits. Okay, entitled to 15 free credits that you can access or use for image generation. Okay, and if you have enough after generating image, you can as well maybe do a video. Okay, but I think you can only do more of image generation with that. Okay, so let's look at the second one. The second one I have for us is called the Sogni AI. Okay, the Sogni AI. All right, so this is the second tool I want us to consider. You can see the logo right here. Okay, you can see the logo right there. Okay, so just go to your browser and search for Sogni AI. Okay, and then you register with them, and as soon as you register with them, you're entitled to 100 Spark coins or credits, but in their own terms they call it Spark. Okay, and with that 100 credits you can generate images. Okay, and recently they have updated their platforms such that you can also do video generation. Okay, and I tell you, every day that you visit the site, you are always entitled to 100 free Spark or coins. Okay, that you can use for generation, both images and video. Okay, and you can as well be given 400. Maybe it's been a while, like a month that you have visited the platform. If you come back maybe after a month, let's say, you will be given extra 400 packs. Okay, such that you can use to do something meaningful on the platform. Now the third one I want us to look at is Video AI. Okay, so Video AI is another tool you can access. Okay, Video AI also give us a very high quality kind of content. Okay, that has to do with image and video generation. Okay, and as soon as you register with them, you are given like I think 5 credits. So yes, I don't think it's up to 10. So but with what they give you, you can actually generate images. Okay, very high quality one. Okay, even with the video, it's not always much, but you can always try it out. Okay, in terms of image generation. Okay, so this is a video. You can see the way it looks like. All right, so when you go to your browser, that's what you're looking for. Then the next one we want to consider is called Gamma's AI. Okay, Gamma's AI. Gamma's AI is another kind of interesting platform that I will advise that you visit, because of so many possibilities, so many things that you can really access using Gamma's AI. All right, so this is a platform. This is how it looks like. Okay, so when you once you're registered with them, you're entitled to 300 free credits, okay, that you can use to do so many things, things such as infographics, image generation, and you want to do other contents that has to do with text, okay, and all that. So you can do that. That's enough credit to be able to work with, okay. And then another thing, another tool, that is tool number 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, that is the fifth tool now, if I'm not mistaken, or the sixth one is called Thank You AI. Thank You AI. You've been wondering what kind of AI is that? Yes, there's an AI that is called Thank You. So you can see this is how the icon looks like, okay, and you can see the word right there up there, okay. Thank you. All right, so this is it. So you can always go to your browser and type thank you, and then you will see the platform there. And like you can see, okay, there on the platform you can see 100 credit, okay. You can see 100 credit up there. Yeah, so you're entitled to 100 credits as soon as you register with them. So with that, you can do a number of things. You can generate images, you can generate videos, and what have you. All right, then we have the Arena. Okay, that's the next one we have. We have the Arena. The Arena is another platform you want to consider, okay, for free. And I tell you, there are so many possibilities that you can get using the Arena also. So this is the Arena. This is Arena AI, okay, and you can also do some image generations possibly, okay, and then possibly you can do video too, okay, but depending on whatever credit you have left, okay, or you're given. All right, so I don't want to dwell much on Arena. And then we have another one I have here on my list. It's called Higgsfield. Okay, Higgsfield, we know is one of the AI tools that is running presently, and you know, the cost of being able to pay for the premium package is just too bogus. It's just too high. But nevertheless, they have a free credit that you can always access on a daily basis. Okay, every 24 hours you have free credit, if I'm not mistaken, that you can access. At least from the first day that you get to register with them, you're given a free credit. I think you're given 10 credits. Yeah, 10 credits as soon as you register on that platform. And then with that 10 credits, you can generate a very good realistic or ultra realistic images, okay, that you can use for your content creation. Okay, all right, you're welcome if you're still with me. Okay, so the next one I want us to look at, that's the number 8 on my list, is called the OpenArt. Okay, OpenArt is another tool I want us to consider. Okay, I believe so many of us are familiar with OpenArt, but if you're not, let me just bring it up. Okay, so OpenArt is another platform you want to try. Okay, and they also give a free credits that you can access, okay, the moment you register on that platform. Okay, you're given a particular credit that you can work on. That's the icon there. For those of us who don't know what OpenAI platform is, that's how you access it. And then with their free credits, you can also do something with it. If I'm not mistaken, I think they give 20 credits, okay, at the time when you get to register there. And then the next one I want us to look at is called, that's the 9th one, is called the Manus AI. Okay, the Manus AI. I believe some of us are just hearing that for the first time. That's another kind of platform that you can access, okay, and that you can also use for free. You can use the free version that they provided, okay, or the free credits that they provided or they give. Okay, so all you have to do is just to register with them, and then you are good to, you're qualified for their free credit, and also you are able to access the platform for free for images, video generations, okay, and any other text content you want to work on, okay. And then the 10th one I have on my list is the one I call the Ideogram AI. I believe most of us are familiar with Ideogram. Okay, yes, Ideogram is another platform that you can also access, okay, on a daily basis. They also give free credits, okay. I think about 10 or 20 credits, if I'm not mistaken, that you can actually use, okay, for majorly for image generation, okay. Outside that, you may not be able to do other things except you have to subscribe, okay, for their premium version, okay. And then the last but not the least that I have on my list here is the one I called FreePic. Okay, FreePic AI, that is the last one I have on my list here, and it's such a one that you also want to try, okay, because it's also a platform where you can, you know, do something free, okay, and you don't have to pay. You don't have to pay to access some things, okay. I know they also run the premium the package, okay, but aside the premium package, you can also gain access to the free package they have, their free tools they have up there, like for image generation. You can always get to access that rather, okay, without you having to pay. So I think they also give like 10 credits or thereabout, okay, and with that you can be able to do something meaningful. All right, so like I always say, that the only way you can repay Bright Edge Media YouTube channel for all this info that we do bring across your way is to like, to subscribe, and to turn on your notification bell, all right, so that you'll be getting a notification on new updates that we'll be bringing across your way, okay. And also share with other people on this vital info that you are getting from here. And here is where we will be wrapping it up for this training class of today. And until I see you next time, I remain your very trainer, all right, and do have a very good one. Bye for now.
Welcome back from the training. Hope you had a wonderful training session. If this platform has been of great help today, please like, subscribe, and share. Ensure to hit that bell as to notify you for upcoming tutorials. Bye for now.